Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can design a creative flyer in Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template, right? Now we are going to elements and here we are just going to search for dome building. Okay, we are going to photos now, right? We are already in photos. Okay, nice. That's absolutely nice, right? We are going to select this one or we can select this one, right? So we have selected this one. Let me delete the previous one and now we are going to click on triple dot, right? Set this image as background. We have selected this image, removing the background. Okay, it's done. Now we are going to click on share, then download, and here we are just going to download the current page in the PNG format with transparent background. Okay, now we are going to search for wave in the elements in the left side toolbar. Okay, now we are going to graphics. And here in the graphics you can select any wave, right? Whatever the wave you like the most, you can simply select it. You can increase its size. Okay, it's done. Now we are sending it down, going to change its color to white, right? Now we are going to duplicate this and we are going to flip it vertically and then horizontally. Okay, right. Now we are going to fix it over here. Again, we are going to duplicate this, right? So we have duplicated it, right? And here we are going to place it first above and then select this and change its color to yellow. Okay, now we are going to move it over here, right? Now we are going to select the down one and here we are again going to change its color to yellow and then duplicate it and going to change its color to white, right? And then make it in this manner. Okay, it's done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to click on share, download this image as well with transparent background. You can simply download it, right? But we will do it later. Now we are going to uploads. Click on upload files and here I'm going to select this one. Okay, open it. Now we are going to crop it such manner, right? From here as well, right? Place it. Let me delete it. Select back. We can set this image size as per the template, then we can simply do it in such manner as well, right? Okay, we can raise pixel eraser, right? Okay, let's click on done. Okay, it's done, right? Now we are going back to elements and searching for circle, going to all, we'll select the circle shape, change its color to yellow, increase its size, and then we will send it behind. Okay, let's reduce the size of circle. Okay, arrow plane, going to graphics select such kind of graphics, right? Rotate it, make it of whatever the color you want, right? Similarly, now we are going to type text. Add a heading, explore, right? Here we can change its font as well, right? So you can simply search for 210 and then you can select the word and change the text color to yellow and do word and change its color to blue, right? Similarly, change its color also to yellow. Okay. Now you can change the explore font to whatever font you want, right? And then you can simply add some more text. So now change its color to white, add effects, background of yellow color. You can reduce the spreadness, you can decrease the font size, right? So in this manner you can simply create a good creative flyer for your travel business. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.